We believe in a future at street level, a future where people are free to roam, untethered and unencumbered, a future where people work, play, and shop without the need to drive, because investing in pedestrian mobility leads to a more sustainable environment. A future where autonomy, connection, and community are valued over speed and consumption. A future where people are no longer limited in how far they can walk by what they can carry on foot. We have a passion for local living and for turning mundane moments into memorable experiences. Our purpose is to unlock the walkability of neighborhoods through innovative tech solutions to make local living better, smarter, more accessible, and more fun. We want to bring this future forward, fast.
Hello, HoloBox.
Hi, I am here. What can I do for you?
Yes, next we need to prepare for this speech.
Okay, no problem. Environmental protection is very important, and we can take some actions, such as supporting the development of renewable.
Okay, thank you so much. Can you show me my figurine?
Sure, no problem.
The speech was very successful.
That's great.
Hello, HoloBox. Could you tell me a joke?
Okay, here's a joke. There was a clumsy cat that always treated its tail.
Could you recommend some games?
Movies?
Can you dance?
1. Action film.
Hard
Games
games.
or adventure series. Have everyone write down a question or topic and discuss it.
Meet UGOT, a versatile AI robotic kit. Featuring a unique modular design, and it's easy to assemble. You can build the quadruped robot in 2 minutes. Awaken it with just one click on the app, and it's capable of 360 degrees far-field audio recognition. By replacing a few parts, you can transform it into an engineered vehicle. Pick up a bone easily and play with your dog with UGOT. Here comes the wheeled and legged robot you have never seen before. It can perfectly balance while go over the uneven terrains. You can also experience the FPV mode with the UGOT app. With face recognition, UGOT knows you and who to play with. Invite your loved ones to explore with UGOT. From Python to graphical programming, both adults and children can interact with. AI gesture recognition. Need more fun? No problem. Here's the transforming car. It is capable to go over obstacles, drive over gravel, climbing mountains and crossing puddles. More combination and more fun. Explore the future of robotic with UGOT.
Hey, Jack.
Hey, Jack,
Come here.
come here. Turn around.